Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Fire up your backyard cooking. The best budget-friendly grills deliver impressive performance without breaking the bank. Enjoy sizzling steaks, perfectly grilled veggies, and smoky flavors with affordable options that combine durability, ease of use, and convenience for every outdoor chef. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ninja Electric Grill. The Ninja Electric Grill is a powerful and versatile indoor cooking solution designed for families who want authentic grilled flavor without stepping outside. With its interchangeable 14-inch grill and griddle plates, this unit easily transitions from searing strip steaks to flipping pancakes or sautéing vegetables. The ability to swap plates makes it ideal for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, giving users true all-day cooking flexibility in one appliance. One of its most impressive features is the 500 degrees Fahrenheit maximum heat capability, allowing you to achieve restaurant-style sear marks and flavorful caramelization directly in your kitchen. Unlike many indoor grills that struggle with consistent heating, this model offers edge-to-edge heat distribution, eliminating hot and cold spots. The result is evenly cooked burgers, chicken, seafood, and veggies every time. Smoke control is another highlight. The perforated mesh lid helps reduce splatter and manage smoke, making it far more kitchen-friendly than traditional stovetop grilling. The option to cook with the hood up for intense direct heat or a hood down to retain heat and melt toppings adds even more versatility.
Number 2. Cuisinart Indoor Grill. The Cuisinart Indoor Grill, widely known as the Griddler, stands out as a compact yet highly functional 5-in-1 cooking appliance. Designed to act as a contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, and half grill, half griddle combination, it delivers exceptional versatility for everyday home cooking. Whether you're preparing breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this grill adapts effortlessly to your needs. Its dual temperature control system is a major advantage. In grill and panini mode, users can adjust settings from warm to sear, while griddle mode allows precise temperature adjustments between 200 degrees Fahrenheit and 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures delicate foods like pancakes cook gently, while steaks and burgers receive the high heat necessary for proper browning. The consistent heating across the plates results in evenly cooked meals with minimal guesswork. The non-stick, removable grill and griddle plates simplify both cooking and cleaning. Food releases easily, reducing the need for excessive oil, and the included drip tray efficiently collects grease. After cooking, the plates and drip tray can go directly into the dishwasher, saving time and effort.
Number 3. Grill Depot's Grill. The Grill Depot's Grill is a robust outdoor propane grill designed for those who enjoy authentic backyard barbecues. Built with porcelain enameled cast iron grates, it combines durability with superior heat retention. This material not only resists rust and cracking, but also ensures consistent, even cooking whether you're grilling steaks, chicken, seafood, or vegetables. The result is impressive sear marks and enhanced flavor with every use. One of the standout features is the included perforated griddle pan. This addition allows heat and smoke to circulate directly through the food, making it perfect for delicate items like fish or sliced vegetables. The combination of traditional cast iron grates and the perforated pan significantly expands the grill's versatility beyond standard barbecue fare. With 4 independently adjustable burners delivering 10,000 BTU each, this grill offers strong, even heat distribution across 302 square inches of cooking space. It comfortably accommodates gatherings for 2 to 4 people, making it ideal for small parties or family cookouts.
Number 4. Cookit Cast Grill. The Cookit Cast Grill is a powerful, feature-rich propane grill built for serious backyard entertainers. Designed with an expanded cooking zone, it includes a premium cast iron grate for perfect sear marks, a stainless steel heat distributor for even heat flow, and an additional griddle plate for breakfast-style cooking. This combination allows users to prepare everything from steaks and burgers to pancakes and hibachi-style dishes in one session. With a total output of 49,000 BTU, the grill delivers substantial cooking power. 4 main burners provide 10,000 BTU each, while a 9,000 BTU side burner handles sauces, side dishes, or boiling tasks. The porcelain flame tamers minimize hotspots and ensure steady, controlled heat across the surface. This design makes both high-heat searing and slow cooking equally manageable.
The double-walled stainless steel dome enhances heat retention, functioning almost like a smoker lid while protecting food from wind interference. The built-in thermometer enables precise monitoring, helping users maintain ideal cooking temperatures.
Number 5. Cuisinart Tabletop Grill. The Cuisinart Tabletop Grill offers exceptional flexibility by functioning as both an indoor and outdoor electric grill. Designed with a removable stand, it can be used on patios and balconies, or detached for convenient tabletop cooking indoors. The 6-foot power cord further enhances placement options, making it practical for apartments or homes with limited outdoor space. Its 240 square inches of non-stick cooking surface can accommodate up to 12 burgers at once, making it suitable for family meals or small gatherings. The non-stick coating ensures easy food release and reduces cleanup time. Unlike charcoal or propane grills, this electric model provides a cleaner cooking experience without dealing with fuel refills or open flames. Temperature control is straightforward thanks to the adjustable probe featuring 5 heat settings ranging from 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows users to cook a wide range of foods, from vegetables to thick cuts of meat, with consistent results. No need to overspend for great grilling. These budget-friendly grills prove that quality and affordability can go hand in hand, making outdoor cooking simple, fun, and delicious. Choose the right one, fire it up, and enjoy countless flavorful meals with family and friends this season.